Hello, YouTubers. This had to be take two. First take I had sneeze.
You did?
And then once I got over the sneezing, the dog started barking.
That's right. Someone let the dogs out.
Yeah, wicked. Have I got sneeze again? Anyway. I'm trying not to. That is something hard not to sneeze. You know, geez. I could easily hold a fart than I can sneeze.
Okay. TMI.
But anyway, we have a BX2380. Compliments of
Newfoundland Canada.
Kubota Limited. So, and we've had it here for a while. We're doing some mods on it. Previously, we had their BX23S.
That's right.
And we came up with the Easy Step to put on it. And we put the Easy Step on it, and a lot of people really like the Easy Step.
That's right. This is going to be the easy on step.
Or Easy On Step. I stand to be correct. I only invent this stuff, folks. I don't name it. You know?
For good reason.
Really, you know. I just can't keep up with this easy stuff.
It's too much easy.
Yeah,
You're
you know.
not used to being so much easy.
Everybody else got it easy. I don't.
That's right.
So, on the 23S, it was a very simple installation. You had to drill 4 holes, put the step on, bolt it on, and you're done. Then we started receiving calls from people who've had injuries and problems with their knees, their backs, their hips, their whatever. So I said, well, there may be a demand for it, and it's hard to not try to accommodate them. Seeing we had the tractor here and all, the 2380, we said we'll try it. Believe it or not, it took me 2 days
I know.
to design. Is everything in the way? It took me 2 days to design a mount, a bracket that could go on this, because the 2380 don't have a subframe to bolt to. So my goal was to design a bracket that would bolt on to the existing bolts that's there already. And while I was at it and I designed it, I also punched out the holes for the step itself. And at the end of the second day, I had a finished product. I actually had a bracket that could be bolted onto the tractor without drilling any holes. Plus, I had a step that could bolt directly onto the bracket without drilling any holes. So technically, it's easier to install on this tractor now than it is on a 23S.
I know.
And
just the way it worked.
tried to keep the weight down and whatnot. Not me, I should, but on the bracket.
Okay.
Okay, so anyway, this is what we have. So let's have a look. We'll show you the finished product. And there it is. So this is the very first one that's ever been produced for a BX23 in an 80 series.
That's right.
And
It'll go with anything with that.
yeah,
23,
you can see there's a bracket that bolts onto the existing bracket that's under here. Here's the bracket. It's a 2-piece bracket, 1 piece here. Mm-hmm. The holes are elongated. You just put the bolts in here, and there's one that goes in the back, and then you bolt on your step. And it works quite well. Now there's a little tiny bit of flex because under the floorboard here, there's some steel brackets here and steel brackets here, as you can see. They look to be about a 3/16 thick. A little bit of flex, but there's flex in airplane wings. Flex is not bad.
No.
You know, flex is not a bad thing. When something
Allows
actually,
things to move.
yeah, you know, it gives some flexibility. You know, if something is too rigid, it got a tendency to crack.
Crack. Mm-hmm.
So I'm a big old dilute. I can get on it. I can get off it.
Yeah.
Here, Kathy,
That was easy enough.
you get on there and you show them.
What?
Oh yeah, never mind. What?
What?
Come on.
What?
Never mind. What? Yeah.
Well, you know me. I have to prepare. I just can't.
Yeah, there you go. Let's try it again now. I'd rather see you getting on and off than that.
Good day.
Yeah, do it again.
Do it again.
Yeah, why
How many
not?
times am I going to keep this up?
There you go. That's pretty good.
Perfect.
So folks, this is going to be on the website very shortly. If you want the step, and of course if you don't have a subframe, you're going to need that optional
Bracket.
bracket. So we hope that this helps some people out who really needs this type of thing, because it definitely makes it a lot easier to get on. And of course, it's not going to work with a mid mower. We already showed you one with the mid mower.
That's right.
Right?
Yes.
So we do have one for the mid mower as well. But this is for when you take your mid mower off and you're doing your snow clearing in the winter. It's a nice easy step to use because it's lower.
That's right.
The other side of the coin is it's also self-cleaning, which means that any snow that's on your boot will fall down through the grate itself. You'll always retain your grip. So from a safety point of view, it's very safe.
Oh, very.
So folks, I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for supporting us, and thanks for watching our videos. And hey, we're just so thankful we have you.
We are indeed.
So we'll see you in the next video, folks. You guys take care. God bless. Forgot to tell you that there's an installation video that will come with this when you purchase the step with the bracket. So the minute that you decide to buy the bracket, Kathy will email you the installation. Takes 10 minutes to do. Very few tools, no drilling, easy peasy, and it's the way to go. So thought we'd include that.